Hi everyone, good morning. I hope you all are quite good uh, in your daily life. So, here I am in the midst of nature in an open field. Just a minute, let me show you. You can see the greenery and the pigeons clustered. They are busy, to find out some foods, and the cows, the mango trees. You can see the far away tall buildings. So here I am in the midst of nature. Yeah, sometimes I used to come to this kind of you know places. So amazing places for me, as nature nourishes our mind. It really stimulates our minds a lot, and only they can understand those who used to come to this kind of places. And I know, I'm pretty sure that most of us happen to come to this kind of greenery, this kind of beautiful places. And this is good, this is not bad, and this must be okay. This must be because only the medicine is not enough to cure our health and mind. Along with medicines, we need natural antibiotic. This nature acts as, sometimes natural beauty acts as, an important antibiotic, an effective antibiotic to cure us both physically and mentally. Thank you. Hope you like my this brief description about the importance of visiting nature, natural scenario, natural places. Thank you. Bye bye.